Are you or a loved one dealing with ear health challenges, like the persistent ringing of tinnitus? You're not alone. For many, these auditory issues can disrupt daily life and emotional well-being. But there's hope on the horizon with Quietum Plus. Quietum Plus is more than just an ear health supplement. It's a carefully crafted solution designed to support and nurture your auditory canal. Comprised entirely of natural ingredients, each component has been meticulously chosen for its ability to nourish and sustain the delicate structures of the ear. Imagine the intricate workings of your auditory canal receiving the care they deserve, enhancing not only your ear wellness, but also your mental calmness, focus, and mood. So, how does Quietum Plus make such a difference? At its core, Quietum Plus targets the root causes of auditory disruptions. Recent scientific findings suggest that issues like tinnitus stem from damage in the wire-like connections between the ear and brain. This damage can lead to confusing sound signals, resulting in the all-too-familiar buzzing or ringing. The genius of Quietum Plus lies in its formula. By incorporating traditionally revered herbs and essential nutrients, it enhances blood flow to the auditory canal. This ensures that vital minerals reach their destination, promoting nerve renewal and tackling neuroinflammation, often the culprit behind ear irritations. Each bottle of Quietum Plus contains 60 capsules, produced in FDA-registered and GMP-certified facilities, ensuring purity and safety. With no GMOs, stimulants, or habit-forming substances, Quietum Plus stands as a trustworthy ally in your journey to better ear health. Imagine a future where you can enjoy the sounds of life without disruption, where your ears and mind are in harmony. With Quietum Plus, that future is within reach. Join the countless others who have experienced the rejuvenating power of this natural supplement. Choose peace, choose health, choose Quietum Plus. Thank you for watching. For more information or to start your journey towards better ear health today, visit our website or find us on social media. Remember, your hearing is precious, and Quietum Plus is here to help protect it.